Hello, I am Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the alternate farting sound effect from its non-LXZ. This is from a video called vertical bracket diapermet number 1 vertical bracket dash ms vertical bracket that was uploaded on June 20th, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 0:26 to 0:35. The relaxing music will be removed at the beginning and end. Time to preview the sound effect. See, I told you. This sound effect sounds like this. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. And this is very short. Oh. Ouch. Ouch. I need the bathroom. I feel so much better now. Remember kids, don't forget, just use its non-LXZ's alternate farting sound effect. It starts at 0:26 and ends at 0:35. Make sure you remove the relaxing music at the beginning and end.